Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some juicy fun facts about fruits. Starting off, did you know that strawberries are not true berries? Botanically, they are classified as aggregate fruits because they form from one flower with multiple ovaries. Next, coconuts are amazing. Not only do they float on water, but they can also travel great distances, sprouting new trees far from their origin. Third, here's a cool one. Oranges are not naturally occurring. They're actually a hybrid between a pomelo and a mandarin. Fourth, watermelon surprisingly is classified as a berry. It belongs to a category known as pepo. Isn't that refreshing? And lastly, avocados are often called alligator pears. Their bumpy skin mimics that of an alligator, while they are filled with healthy fats. Now you know these fun fruit facts. Think twice before you bite into your next snack.